Have you ever wondered if it's possible to get paid with every click that you get, guys? Now this is possible, so follow me and hit that subscribe button and let's do it. First step is to get yourself computer, PC, or even your phone, because today we're gonna compete with Google. That's right, you heard that right. We're gonna compete with Google. This method works all around the world and everyone can join, guys. Whether you live in Africa, whether you live in Asia, wherever, you will get some money. It is gonna be easy to start, so let's do it. First of all, go to a search engine which is called EntireWeb.com. Now this is a new search engine which is great, guys. EntireWeb, it's a new kid on the block and they want to compete with Google and we are gonna help them. You can see on SimilarWeb that Google.com has 85.2 billion total visits. That's happening each month, guys, and you can see that the majority of them are coming from the United States. But if you search for EntireWeb, guys, you will see that it's a lot less. 300,000 total visits per month. They had 400,000 in April, but that's exactly why these guys are giving us money. That's right, they pay us to get them clicks. If you go on EntireWeb and click on this button over here, you will see affiliate, and when you click on it, you will see that you can earn up to 20 cents for every click, guys. Now that's for a click. Each click gets you 20 cents. That accumulates pretty quickly. Just imagine if we get like, I don't know, 100 clicks, guys, times 0.2. Now that's 20 bucks for us each day, guys. Now that's a lot of money. If you get that each day in a month, 600 bucks. 600 bucks, guys, and you only got 100 clicks. That's so easy to make. I'm gonna show you a strategy on how you can get this amount every day, and it's gonna be easy as cake. You will get paid for every click, guys, so the more clicks you get, you will have this high conversion rate, of course, and guys, within minutes from sign up, you'll be up and running to get the money. A lot of money. Now, you are probably wondering, how are we gonna compete with this? EntireWeb is nowhere near, but I have a strategy, guys, and it's because this makes us money, you can be sure that it will work. One thing that they offer more, they have these SEO tools, free tools, which you can use in order to promote their website, and that's why EntireWeb is so good, guys. It is so good. They pay us some money, guys, and that's crazy. That's crazy. After all, they want to become a competitor for Google, and that's why they give us this money, so you could see that you can get 600 bucks per month. So let's get this strategy going. First of all, click on create account, and now what you have to do is you have to enter in your first name, last name. That's pretty much self-explanatory, email, and this additional information about yourself. You can see that this works all around the world. Don't worry about that. Wherever you come from, you are able to do this. Now, once you make yourself an account, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. This is, of course, the most important thing. This is your affiliate link, so you can just copy this link into your clipboard and we can move on. You also have some promotion tips of theirs, and they're going to help you with every step of the way. So they have various channels in which you can just go and you can just make your banners and links and make your life easier with this one. But I have a strategy for this one, and it made me a lot of money. So if you repeat these steps, you're going to be able to get that as well. But of course, hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you. So first of all, copy this link into your clipboard. And the first traffic source for today is going to be Reddit.com. And I chose this one because it is packed with people. Really, there is a lot of traffic on Reddit, and that means a lot of money. If you go on SimilarWeb to see how Reddit.com is faring, guys, just take a look at this. 1.6 billion, guys. That means a lot of money for us, a lot of traffic for us. You can see that there is 1.7 billion in the month of May, and you can see that 48% of those are coming from the United States, and that's where the money is. 1.6 billion total visits. This is our traffic, guys. And remember, we only need 100 per day. This is the place where you can get it. Go and search, for example, just type in search engine, guys, and you will most probably find some discussions which are related to that. You can see first question here, best search engine that isn't Google, guys. Go in there, and what you want to paste in here is your affiliate link. Just paste that link, but of course, don't just send it like this. Write a nice simple message and just be honest with the guy and just let him know that search engine which you promote is very good, is very cool, and it can make him money as well. So just be creative with your answer here, okay? And in the end, you can just paste your link, and that's gonna make you money, guys. And the thing with this is that not only this guy will see this, but this will stay here forever, guys. And all of these people who are entering this discussion are gonna see that, and they're gonna be like curious and want to see what that all is about, and they're gonna go and see what that is. But you only need a click. Whoever clicks on your link, guys, just to see what that is, you will get 20 cents. that's the best thing. You get money for every click. For each click, you get that money. So you don't care if people don't search on this. You will get $600 just for the click. That's exactly why this strategy is so good and why it works. It may be a lot of money, guys. And of course, this isn't the only discussion and this isn't the only place where you can get the traffic. There are a lot of more of these discussions, but I have a special tool also which can help you in getting that traffic. It also can make you a lot of money. So what I want you to do is to go on Google and type in Hercules, guys. But of course, you don't have to do this in Google. You can go on entire web and see if this works as well. Just take a look at this, Hercules Plus. The same result as on Google. You see that this is a very good search engine on itself. Just like this fellow. Except that this fellow has 85 billion total visits per month. But nevertheless, I want you to go on Hercules. Now, you are probably wondering what the hell is this? Well, Hercules.com is something which can get you traffic, guys. And it is for free. You can see advertised to thousands daily for free, guys. That's all that you have to do, guys. You can just earn that money with Hercules as well because this tool is just getting your link out there. You have increased activity, you have more traffic for yourself, and you can see that people are very satisfied. So how this actually works, guys? Well, they are gonna just send out your link to every place on the internet where they possibly can. You just paste your link in there and they're gonna do the job for you. You can see that there are a lot of members right now already, so you just have to enter in your email address in this box and then you will get a lot of emails. But don't do that, just enter in your website, or in this case, you enter in your entire web affiliate link. That's all that you have to do, guys. Just paste that in here and click on this button, Get Started. Of course, first of all, make yourself an account. That's pretty much self-explanatory here. That's gonna be quick, and Hercules is gonna do all the hard work for you guys. All the hard work for you is done with the help of these powerful tools, and that's it. You're gonna be satisfied. You'll get a lot of these clicks, and remember, guys, you only need a little bit in order to get a lot of money. $600, guys, that is some real money, and what I would suggest really is that you start right now. The sooner you start, the sooner you get more money. One more thing which you could do is you can go on Quora.com and you can just type in search engine in here, and Quora.com has a lot of traffic too. Actually, I misspelled this one, but you can just search for it on Quora.com and you will find a lot of discussions. What is the best web search engine? Well, you just go in there and you paste your affiliate link, but remember, guys, to be honest with them, just make an answer which is like really nice written, you know, and then you can just get that money. You can see there is even question, is there a competitor to Google search engine, guys? You can just see that. If the people haven't already did that, guys, you can just put in entireweb.com and people are gonna click on that, and a lot of people are gonna click on that, guys. Just take a look at this. 266 people are following this question, and a lot of these other questions, guys. You can see that there are a lot of discussions, and you can see as well that Quora.com is packed with traffic, guys. 600 million total visits per month, guys. Look at this. This is really nice. My suggestion, guys, go and involve yourself, take some action, and I will catch you later.